Hello everyone, welcome back to my JavaScript series. In today's video, we'll learn what are conditional statements, why conditions are important, if statement, if else, statement, else if latter, nested if, switch statement. Conditional statements are one of the most important concepts in programming, so let's master conditional statements in JavaScript. Conditional statements are used to make decisions in JavaScript. In simple words, conditions help programs decide what to do. For example, if password is correct, login success, if age is above 18, allow access, if balance is low, show warning. JavaScript checks conditions using true or false. Section 1, if statement. The if statement executes code only if the condition is true. Here the syntax, if condition. Code, example 1, let age equal to 20, if age greater than equal to 18, console dot. Log eligible to vote. JavaScript checks, is age greater than or equal to 18? 20 is greater than 18. Condition becomes true, so the output is eligible to vote. Section 2, if-else statement. If-else statement handles two conditions, true or false. Syntax, if condition, true block and else, false block. Example, let age equal to 16, if age greater than equal to 18, console.log eligible to vote, else, console.log not eligible. JavaScript checks, is 16 greater than or equal to 18? No, condition becomes false, so else block runs. Output, not eligible. Section 3, else if latter. Else if latter is used when we have multiple conditions. Syntax, if condition 1, else if condition 2, else. Example, let marks equal to 85, if marks greater than equal to 90, console.log grade A, else if marks greater than or equal to 75, console.log grade B, else if marks greater than or equal to 50, console.log grade C, else console.log fail. JavaScript checks conditions one by one. 85 is not greater than 90. Next condition, 85 is greater than 75. Condition becomes true. Output, grade B. Section 4, nested if statement. An if statement inside another if statement called nested if. Example, let age equal to 20. Let has ID equal to true. If age greater than equal to 18. If has ID console.log entry allowed. First JavaScript checks, is age greater than or equal to 18? Yes, then second condition checks. Does user have ID? Yes. Output, entry allowed. Section 5, switch case statement. Switch statement is used when there are multiple fixed options. Syntax switch, ... expression, case value, code, break semicolon, and default. Code, example, let. Day equals 2 semicolon, switch day case, 1 console.log, Monday break semicolon case, 2 console.log Tuesday break case 3, console.log Wednesday, break default, console.log invalid day. JavaScript checks day value, day is 2, case 2 matches, output Tuesday. If you remove the break keyword, print the remaining outputs. Section 6, Boolean values. Conditional statements work with Boolean values. Example, let is logged in equal to true, if is logged in, console.log. Welcome user. If value is true, the condition executes. Conditional statements are used everywhere. Login systems, banking apps, ATM machines, shopping websites, online exams, games, full-stack applications. Conditions are one of the foundations of programming. Common mistakes beginners make: forgetting brackets, using equal to instead of double equal to, wrong indentation, missing break and switch. Example, if age equal to 18. This assigns value instead of comparing. Today we learned if statement, if else statement, else if latter, nested if, switch statement, Boolean conditions, real-world examples. Now you clearly understand conditional statements in JavaScript. In the next video, we'll learn loops in JavaScript. Like this video, share it with your coding friends, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Keep learning, keep coding, keep growing. Let's see on next video.
Yeah.